Yeah. What's going on, guys? Mr. Mark Anthony Drew at Mark Drew Speaks here with the brothers. Van Kirk, man, my brothers. Oh, hanging out on the island. Listen to that, man. Listen to that. Came for the sounds, for the peace of mind. Put the right sounds into your mind. Don't get distracted. Don't let the dissonance weigh you down. Find harmony in the world. And a lot of times it's hard to find harmony in man's world. That's why you got to go outside. Listen to the birds, the splashing of the waves, the rustling of the wind. Sometimes you have to step away from the 4/4 time and step into nature time. Sometimes you have to put down the hip-hop beats, the rock beats, the jazz beats, and just listen to your heartbeat. Listen to your heart speak. Listen to your heart teach. Listen to your heart reach as it stretches out for acceptance, just wanting to be heard. Passion in words, empathy is observed when we listen. Slow down in the moment and listen. You'll miss it if you don't pay attention. Don't be so quick to rush into decisions. Pause before you rush into action. What is the mission? You can't achieve your goals without the right ambition. What's your purpose? Slow down. Just listen.